Hello everyone. Do you want to speak English? You don't have idea how to speak English, but you want to speak English. You have decided I want to speak English. So this video only for you. And today I will tell you a 2 3 tips by which you can improve a lot because I am also doing this type of activity. Yes, you confused. You don't have idea how to start. Where is a starting point? So today I will tell you, so please watch this video till the end. So let's get start the video. And yeah, do you really want to speak English? So you have to learn some basic grammar because you have to make a foundation will be strong. You can speak confidently in front of lot of people. Yes, confidently. So first, I will advise you, you can start basic grammar. Start simple present tense, past tense and future tense. You have to make a sentence and speak in front of mirror. That's it. Not Don't go through another video and don't search how to speak English. Yani everyone tell everyone experience. So everyone have a different experience, perceptance, all these things. So was no need to go through another video. You have to learn basic grammar, then you have to speak in front of mirror, in front of camera. Okay, that's it. Second thing is you have to start reading storybooks. Yes, you heard right. I am saying you have to start storybooks. Little pupil story book by which you understand easily and you can speak English. You understand how to use this type of sentence and what to say this book or what not to say this book. Yes, you understand these type of activity, so you feel confident. Yes, you feel confident doing these type of activity. Second thing and third thing, you have to read, you have to write down, because write down you have to learn and what comes your mind you have to write down in your notebook. Yes, you hear right. If you have a specific goal, if you have a specific plan, so you have to write down and do action immediately. Yes, you have to take action immediately. What will happen doing action immediately? You can learn so so many things note down. After that you have to revision these things you write in your notebook. Yes, you have to revision. After revision you feel confident and you have to record yourself and find out your mistake, right? If you if this video helpful for you, so must watch this video and do subscribe this channel. Okay, bye bye, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.